as we've already discussed, and as you all know, I love makeup. I have always loved makeup, and Carrie loves shoes.
Yeah.
So today I am going to do her makeup. I am not a makeup artist, so I'm going to use the skills that I have from marketing and do an intake session with her to find out the look she wants, the look she's going for, her objectives, before I actually start applying the makeup.
I can trust you, right?
I did your makeup for your wedding, so.
Oh, that's right. God, that was so long ago. I can't even remember.
She's not married anymore, but that's not my fault. It had nothing to do with the makeup.
A lifetime ago.
Okay, so let's start off by you just telling me, what looks do you like? Are there any celebrity looks that you like? Any colors that you like? What are you hoping to achieve?
I mean, I don't wear makeup a lot, as you know, so I think anything that's just sort of natural, maybe light pinks, peaches, just really, really natural. I think we should just avoid a lot of color and anything that pops too much. I mean, definitely not blue. I think blue.
Oh my gosh, I totally know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. glitter eyeshadow in that dark navy blue. And then, oh yes, the Essence blue palette. Oh, it's gonna be perfect. We've already put the foundation on and highlighter and contour. How do you feel?
I mean, you've used like 30 products on my face already. How are we only at the foundation stage?
That's not even half of the stuff that I put on my own face. Now we're ready for eyeshadow, blush, and lipstick.
Oh, I just remembered a celebrity that I would love to look like. Jennifer Aniston.
Okay, the eyes are done, so we're moving on to blush.
I love the stuff you got me for Christmas. Shadow, but it's
That's
like
the
gel.
Jill Stewart Jelly Eye Color. I have done how many videos of that? Well, we're gonna move on to lipstick now.
It feels like a 5-year-old coloring outside the lines on my face right now.
It's not.
This isn't a big joke, right? You're not doing like really hideous stuff to my face, pretending like you're trying to make me look good.
I mean, you may end up thinking it looks like a joke, but I'm not doing it as a joke. No. We're ready.
I don't know if I'm ready.
Open your eyes, take a look. Ta-da!
Is it blue?